What you doing, Reese? You showing off? Come on, let's go. You're showing off again, aren't you? Hmm?
Until 6, but the snow is definitely starting to come into an end, especially off to our northwest, so keep that in mind. Watch here. Here's live Appleton radar. You see it has shrunk across central Ohio. It's really starting to diminish to our north across parts of Hardin, across Wyandotte and Hancock counties. Now it looks like it's passed. Look at how it's moving out, so that's good news. The snow is going to be tapering off, but the winds will be an issue. Temperatures are plummeting to the north. We're hanging in there at 30. We just dropped 29, and the winds 20 to 25, even 30 miles an hour to the west. So blowing and drifting and some bitter cold wind chills later on. Temperatures will continue to drop through the morning into the afternoon, even as the snow stops. And colder across the state and very blustery, and the rest of the weekend, Sunday, Monday, look pretty good, but cold and looking ready to bundle.
All right, we sure will. Thanks, Michael. Many central Ohio counties are under a level 2 snow emergency this morning. And take a look. This was Union County early this morning with the wind picking up and just blowing that snow sideways all over the road. Most of central and southern Ohio are under snow emergencies this morning. Perry, Guernsey, Hardin, Logan, and Muskegon counties are under level 3. That means roads are closed to general traffic. More than a dozen counties in orange that you see here are under a level 2. They are Union, Fayette, Fairfield, Knott, Licking, Marion, Morrow, Perry, Coshocton, Champaign, Hopkins, and Athens counties. And that means do not drive if you don't have to. Finally, the counties in yellow are under level 1, so drive with caution if you are in Franklin, Delaware, Madison, Pickaway, Pike, and Ross counties. Again, our winter weather coverage continues on techtv.com. We'll now send you back to the Earth Show.
got your generator going? No, he says, no, I've got coal in the house here right now. I think he knows how to hook up.
I don't know for certain.
He says if the electric's not on tomorrow, we may not be able to come over. If they do come over, they'll probably come over around 2 o'clock. He said the game don't start till 6, but he said we can get our food ready and we can play cards for a while. Says the church got banned. How about that?
What do you suppose we got out there? About a foot of snow?
Yeah, I would say
Never did that.
places more than that. Depends on where. See, we sat here in this woods. We're on the east side of the woods, so the wind drops it right down in on us.
Killing me today.
Headache, headache, headache.
Advils and they ain't done a darn thing for me.
Finally got her out.
School district. The storm is impacting just about everyone, and it's not done yet. Complete coverage of the latest winter storm to slam Central Ohio.
From Central Ohio's news leader, presented in high definition, this is 10 TV News HD.
And we're in the middle of another winter storm causing slippery and snowy conditions across Central Ohio.
And as you heard, the storm is not through with us yet. Live Doppler 10 showing you what is still to come. Good evening, everybody, and thanks for being with us tonight as we monitor this second major storm system. I'm Andrea Camber.
And I'm Jerry Revish. Now, with several inches of fresh snow on the ground, the worst may be still to come. Live Doppler 10 Chief Meteorologist Chris Bradley shows us where we are in the middle of this storm. Chris?
Yeah, don't be fooled. A little lull in the snow here over the next couple hours, but the snow will fill back in after dark tonight, and the biggest concern, wind. Wind gusts upwards of 40 miles an hour are possible. This will cause significant blowing and drifting, especially in the outlying areas. You can see we're actually getting a little bit of a mix as well right now. Here's Live Doppler 10, where you see the pink right over Franklin County. There have been reports of a little bit of ice coming down, but trust me, that's going to go back to snow as our temperature drops into the teens tonight. Snow so far, Wilmington's picked up almost 6 inches. Worthington's had 5. There's been about 4.5 in Columbus and 4 reported down in Circleville. While additional snowfall amounts will be light, another 1 to 3 inches from here south, 2 to 4 inches to the north, the impact really will be great. That wind will blow around any additional snow and big-time travel problems expected by morning. We'll track it for you coming up.
Thanks, Chris. And as you've come to expect, we've got a team of reporters stationed all around Central Ohio tonight, from Union and Fairfield counties to all the surrounding counties. We have complete coverage for you on this latest blast of winter to hit Central Ohio. We want to start it off with 10 TV's Maureen Colsack, who is live tonight right here in Franklin County. Maureen?
And the snow is still falling. Right now, ODOT has about 130 trucks treating the roads all across Central Ohio. Traffic is moving pretty well right now at the split here downtown, but the falling snow created problems for drivers all day.
Well, a little bit before 7 o'clock, was sitting here watching the evening news. Things had quieted down before the wind was supposed to pick up later tonight. And had a load of laundry in the washer and everything else. and the power just went out. Kind of stupid. The weather's not really doing much of anything out there tonight right now. But I expected this later tonight, but not right now. So we're hanging out here waiting to see if they get the power back on. And hoping that maybe something will happen that way. Just switch to night mode. There's Reese. I think Lucky Cat's over here too someplace. Yep, there's Lucky Cat. I was wondering what's going on. So we wait and see what happens now. Kind of disappointing. Lost was supposed to be on tonight. I wanted to watch it. And I looked up South Central's website on the iPhone, and it looks like the outage is primarily our area, shown by the red pin. Well, it's 9:47. Everything just came back up. Furnace is starting to come back to life down there. I'm gonna warm things back up again. Yeah, it's pouring down pretty good out there now.
And you want to get some gas too, didn't you? $2.41. That's as cheap as anywhere. Everything else is $2.43, $2.44. What do you want to drink? Diet Pepsi?
Yeah, I'll probably Diet Pepsi.
What you want, Greg? Sierra?
Yeah, I suppose.
You don't have to. I can get my own. Greg can get his own, Mom. You're doing enough with your knees killing you and stuff.
Gotta do some walking.
Out there with the snow piled up on the roof of the gazebo and monster icicles hanging down from the roof.
Circleville School District has an unwanted distinction, having used the most calamity days in central Ohio. 7. And that's 2 over the limit, and there's still more than a month left in winter. 10 TV's Jeff Hogan tells us for them, spring break is beginning to look like a mirage. Another day of school blown off in Circleville. Yeah. Today made 7 calamity days for the district.
Chance somebody might take, but just a little dish soap on that plate to kind of rinse it off.
Yeah. The novelty of shoveling snow has worn off for young Dakota Reaver. Now it's a job. At least it's lucrative.
I went down to that lady's house down there, a couple more houses, and I made $14. Like $9 more.
Go back to school, you're going to lose a lot of money.
Yeah.
7 days this school year, these buses have not moved. Kids are already looking at the shortest spring break.
Many big box stores we called say they will get some new shipments tomorrow, which could include more salt.
Is that Daddy's coat?
I just asked. Who does
Is that Dad's coat?
in Ohio by now?
Mom? Is
I've
that
heard of
Dad's
Cat in the
coat?
Hat,
Yes.
but this is a new development here.
You're not helping.
And then
Cookie.
there's-
Come here.
We interrupt this program for a special message.
Jealousy. For some jealousy.
Here's what we've got for you tonight. There are some
Got you, Greg. So much for that.
Hi, how you doing?
You look at that cowboy. Look at me. I'm the one you want to look at.
Snow coming down a little.
Let's see what the weekend looks like with Mike Davis. Mike.
Well, let's put it this way. We're going into it with a winter weather advisory. Starts at 10, runs through 6 tomorrow morning. So we're going to see snow. Winds are kicking up. We're going to see some blowing snow, too. That was the issue this morning. Didn't have snow falling, but in the rural counties, we saw some snow blowing right across the roads, causing headaches. Snow is backing up from the north, coming our way, so we're going to see some of it. Here it goes. You see it move in our direction into Delaware County. We're getting some flurries and windy conditions. West winds at 21. The wind chill is 13. Temperature's 27. That doesn't matter. It's going to feel a lot colder than that through the day. High today only about 30 degrees. That's almost 15 below normal. Snow tonight and tomorrow will probably break that February record. We'll be back with more coming up at noon. Regis and Kelly's next.
Another 10 minutes or so, Valerie will be getting out of work.
I'm shooting some pictures of the drifts and stuff here.
Oh, are you?
Yep.
I don't think the county's been through here at all. Sure don't look like it, does it?
Not since this morning.
Our car will have any weight in the back of his truck to give him a little traction. It's about like it was the night we took the little car and came out for Joyce's birthday, isn't it?
I don't know.
Had a little escort.
Now, your Central Ohio forecast on Doppler 10 Now.
Good Sunday morning. I'm meteorologist Brandon Rue. We keep adding to it. The new snowfall record for the month of February in 2010. We're up to 30.1 inches after adding about 0.6 of an inch of snow on Saturday. The old record we broke yesterday was at 29.2 inches of snow for the entire month of February back in 1910. The average amount of snow we see during the month of February, 6.2, so wow, about 5 times average. Here's a look at the satellite and radar picture, and we're still tracking the low clouds coming off of Lake Erie, and anytime we have that, we're going to keep the chance for some drizzle, freezing drizzle, and even some flurries in the forecast for today. Time it out for you, and notice light precipitation coming down off Lake Erie, down from the north, so we'll keep the clouds around. We may see a break or two and a glimpse of the sun this afternoon, but I would expect some areas of mist or drizzle and a few flurries at times. Pretty scattered, hit and miss type stuff. But as we head into Monday, still keeping the chances around for just a few flurries. 34 degrees today, and again, some slick roads in the morning. Becomes better as our temperatures warm above freezing this afternoon. Some light icing as we head into Monday morning, back to work and back to school, and we keep light snow chances in the forecast through Tuesday and Wednesday, warmer towards the end of the